Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another early airdrop opportunity, and the name of the project is Verse8. So they basically are an AI native platform for text to game creation, remixing multiplayer titles with story protocol, blockchain, IP ownership and royalties. They have a huge 190k community on Twitter, and if you check their funding, they recently raised 5 million. If you check their investors, then you will see some names such as Neowiz, MarbleX, Story Protocol, Nextbase and Nexus backing them. I'll show everything about how you can participate, but before that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on to get the latest updates. And most importantly, make sure to join our Telegram channel where I share all crypto airdrop news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you'll find this website link. So after coming here, you need to sign up. For that, click here on sign in. Then you can sign up using your Google, Twitter or Discord. So I'd enter my email here, then click on submit. Then it asks to verify, so check your email for the code. Copy the code and paste it here. And then your account will be created. So here on this page you'll find lots of different games which you can play to earn points. Also you can create your own games as well, which I'll show you a bit later. Then click here on the points section, and here you can see how many points people have earned and their ranking. So to earn points, first you have a daily check-in option. Click here. To check in, you must play any game for 5 minutes. So let me show you how you can play. Go to the home page and play any game. For example, let's play this one. So you must play for 5 minutes. After playing 5 minutes, then come back here and try to claim the daily check-in. And done. So I've just got 5 points. Then click here on my missions. Then scroll down a bit. Here you'll find lots of different missions which you can complete to earn points. For example, if you reach level 80 in this game, then you'll earn 50 points. So what you need to do is click here on start mission. Then play this game and reach level 80 to earn points. Also here you'll find some small missions as well. For example, this one here, you can play this game for 8 minutes to earn 15 points. Also here you can create your own games, and for that you will earn points. Then at the bottom you'll find a few social media tasks. To complete these missions, first you need to connect your social accounts. For that, click here on go to connect accounts. Then here first connect your Google account. Then connect your Discord. Authorize. And done. Then connect your Twitter. Authorize. And done. After connecting all your socials, come back here and click on start mission. Then it will redirect you to X, so follow their profile. And done. Then you need to join their Discord, so click on start mission. Then accept the invite and click on complete. Then submit and done. Then click here on the my referrals option. Then click here to copy the referral code. Here you'll find your referral code and referral link which you can share with your friends. Finally, at the top here you'll find the create option. Click there, then you'll be redirected to this page. So here basically you can create your own games. For example, you can write your prompt here and click on run. Then wait, AI will create your game. So after completing your game, you need to click here to run your game. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.